Thank you.
Look it up there.
Oh man. Alright. That ain't happening. Bye. Ow. That hurt. Ow. Oh. Splash Mountain reference?
From the fractured figure of the silver screen, we enter a moving melodrama.
There's Kath up there.
Oh, that's weird. And play the music.
Where are your feet?
Dudley, do right! Oh my god! I love you, Dudley! Have my kids! Oh god. Oh, this is bumpy.
Smile! Here it comes, smile.
No, this isn't the drop. This is not the drop.
Oh.
There's multiple. Yeah. Do you want me to let you know when one's coming up?
Yes, please.
Okay. This isn't one. This is like a mini one. Alright. Oh god. Oh. Ow. Oh, my legs. Poor legs. Oh, good lord. Ow. Ow.
You can stretch him out now.
Ow.
With
Ow.
Do-Right derailed, Whiplash finds Nell fit to be tied.
Oh, poor lady.
Hey, that's weird. Usually Whiplash should be tying her to the tracks. Like they have like an animatronic of him. That's weird. Oh. Must be doing maintenance or whatever. I don't know.
Not the horse.
Yeah. Alright guys, there's a drop coming up.
Okay.
Yep.
A drop? Okay, drop.
Yeah, A drop.
A drop.
A drop. Next will be B drop, then followed by C and D, respectively.
Horse, I lost my train of thought.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh! Oh god! Oh! Oh! Oh god! Oh, it's so cold! It's so cold! Oh god! Alright, there's another drop coming up, okay?
Another drop? Oh my god!
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Here we go!
I'm shivering.
Woo! Oh god! Oh god! Oh! Woo! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Got my shoes! It got my shoes! Oh!
I got my shoes to you! Oh!
Oh!
my god!
Oh my god! It's so cold! It's so cold! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh good lord, help me!
Oh my god!
Okay, there's gonna be a really long chain lift after this, but it's basically the same drop that you went down in the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, it just looks bigger, okay?
Okay, got it.
Trust me, it won't be that bad.
No! No!
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Are you
It's not that bad. Trust me. Trust me. It's not that
not
bad.
that bad?
It's not. I swear. Trust me. It's gonna go away. Oh God.
Rising to the occasion, Our escalating danger draws us right into Spotlift's crossfire.
Oh gosh. Okay guys, the big drop is coming up after this, okay? Oh! Okay, here comes the big drop. You guys ready? You gotta hold on.
Smile.
Yeah, smile. Ow.
Smile. I am. I'm gonna scream.
Yeah! Oh my god! Oh, that was awesome! Oh my god! Yeah, that was great! I love that! Oh! Moving melodrama comes to its inevitable conclusion. We find that an alien ham is with two in ambush. Oh, great! So how'd you guys like it? Yeah, it's great. Only.
I'm
Yeah.
freezing, but I'm good.
Yeah, same. Oh God. Oh. And so, even though. Oh, there we go. Now she always gets his man, but not always his girl.
You have ridden this ride before.
Yeah, that's how I know all the drops. Yeah, I got a sixth sense when it comes to these. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. It's freezing.